All right, so every year when I get a new Samsung device, I also get something from Whitestone. And this year I got this film, this glass, and this glass. This is the one we're gonna install, and it's this dome glass EA right here. All right, so first things first, you always want to turn off your device. No static electricity, no power to this screen. Let's get it off. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and open this up. So, just like that, get it open. This is a 2-pack. So you're gonna get 1 and 2. You get all your cleaning supplies, just like so. Take one of those, sit it to the side, take the other one, and we're gonna put it on. So there we go. Very easy to install. I normally have one of these. This is from another company. I just use this to hold my device in place. What we're gonna do now is turn this back on. We did the whole shebang in less than 5 minutes. Got everything looking really nice, really crystal clear. Any bubbles or any imperfections that you have are typically gonna work themselves out in like the next couple of days or so. But this is it. This is what you get when you use the Dome Glass EA. It comes with its own easy applicator, and I love these. You just plop it on there, peel it off, and you're good to go. So hopefully this has been able to help someone out. We got to make sure we re-register our fingerprint after this. Once fingerprint is re-registered, everything should work very easily. There's no issue with that. Looks good, feels good. No loss in clarity, no problems. Everything looks and feels good with Dome Glass EA. So I'll drop a link below so you can check it out for yourself. Until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.